on the rear side kick. This is not a common technique. The front is just so much easier to throw a side kick from. However, there are uses to the rear side kick. The main one is you're throwing lots of round kicks and your opponent is checking. All right? So what you're doing is they think this is just another round kick. I'm raising up on the ball of my foot, on my left foot. There's so many different schools of thought. A lot of people like to bring it up forward, then turn it, but I don't like that because that's giving the intention that I'm going straight down the middle, which is what I don't want. Chamber. All right? Ball of the foot, chamber. And I'm not going to want to come back on this one, it's too slow. What I basically do is chamber, kick, switch stances. Or, very good. Chamber, kick, extending out, coming across with some sort of spinning technique, if we miss. But mainly, it's not a big problem. I can just chamber, kick, switch stances. If I'm performing lots of round kicks, that's when it sneaks in. Want to try it? Be better from your stance, yeah. So round kicks. Chambering right down through the center. Perfect. And then you can switch stances. I am not ruling out this option. You can. See how awkward that is? Okay. Better to just switch your stance up. Right to front. Again, the rear side kick is not very common, but it has that use. Lots of round kicks. And then my opponent doesn't know which one. See, I can also go down the leg. All right, we're here. See, shoulder, keeping it interesting down the center. It's about keeping everything right here. Okay, keeping it working all levels.
It's just a sneaky way to kick somebody in the gut or the groin.
It's a very sneaky way.